In this video, we will guide you through how to make a day and night cycle in Roblox Studio. If you find this video helpful, make sure to please consider subscribing and liking the video. So the first thing that we have to do is add a script. Make sure your Explorer panel is visible by just clicking on Explorer like so. And once that the Explorer is visible, just go to the server script service and click on the plus icon. Now just search for script and add a script like so. And just delete the pre-existing script and paste this exact script. I will leave this script in the video description. And once that you have done that, you will see the time interval is 0.001, and if this particular value is set to something small like 0.001, the day and night cycle will move very slowly, making it feel more natural and realistic. But if you want the cycle to move faster so players can clearly see the changes, you can increase this value. For example, you can set it to 0.05, and for the sake of tutorial I'm just gonna show you. After that I'll just click on play, and now as you can see, our moon will come and moon will set and the sun will rise again. So the main idea is simple: the higher the value, the faster the cycle, and the lower the value, the slower it becomes. You can adjust this depending on the type of experience you want in the game. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to GuideRealm for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.